Hello YouTube. It's about 85 degrees, so we're going to get done before too long. We waited here, it's like about 1 o'clock. Well, I think it's 1 o'clock. Yeah. Anyway, this is nice and soft out in the heat. And we had our sealer laying on the dash all morning. It was in the air-conditioned house. This just so I get my finger under here. Okay, we've already aired this out with the air compressor. And I don't know if you can see down in there. We're going to be pouring down inside of that gap. Okay, we got 2 tubes of that stuff. Okay, we got masking tape and almost goes on the edge of the rubber. Or right to it. Because we don't want this stuff to get on the paint. So see how it almost edged? We don't know if it's going to ooze out. So that's our safety thing. Okay, we're going to just flow that stuff in there. It's got the nozzle. This stuff flows like water. That's why it says flowable. I watched a YouTube video. I cannot tell you where it's at. I mean, you could probably find it. Just put in Windsheild leak repair, whatever. But here we go. There ain't going to be much to show you. I won't be able to take a picture when it's flowed down in there. I might be able to. Right after I pour it in there, grab the camera real quick. But here we go. We're going to get this done. We got a little box of wood. So just to get our finger on there. That way we know when we stop. We'll lay the block of wood like back here to know where we're going to go the next time. Might even put 2 of them. You know what I mean? Put 2 of them here. So when we stop, right, we know where to start again. I think you know what I mean. We're going to get this done. There ain't much I can show you. Just show you the product and show you what I'm doing. Last winter we had a big snowdrift on this thing. When it warmed up, we had water running down inside the windshield here. Improper insulation of the last time they had a windshield done. So enough of that rant. Let's get to work. Okay, I don't know if you can see that stuff. We'll try different angles. We won't know till we go in and review the film because there's a bright light out here, but we will take a picture of it too, a couple pictures. We made it across with 1 tube, a pretty good fat bead. We ended up cutting the nozzle off even bigger, but there you go. It was that simple. We had our little rubber block, so when we reached over to pick the rubber up, we just kicked the rubber block out of the way. Wear some gloves. We'll snap a photo and see if it shows up.